Hello students. Next point is disjoint cycles. Definition: two cycles, I1 goes to I2, I2 goes to I3 and so on goes to IR, and J1 goes to J2 and so on goes to JS are called as disjoint cycles if the sets I1, I2 and so on IR and the set J1, J2 and so on JS are disjoint. For example, the cycles 1 goes to 3, 3 goes to 7, 7 goes to 8 and 4 goes to 5, 5 goes to 2 in a set are disjoint because 1, 3, 7, 8 does not belongs to this cycle. Also 4, 5, 2 does not belongs to this cycle. Next theorem, any permutation sigma belongs to Sn can be expressed as a product of pairwise disjoint cycles. Next example, express each of the following permutations as a product of disjoint cycles. First, sigma equal to 1 goes to 8, 2 goes to 3, 3 goes to 1, 4 goes to 6, 5 goes to 4, 6 goes to 5, 7 goes to 7, 8 goes to 2. We have sigma of 1 equal to 8, sigma of 2 equal to 3, sigma of 3 equal to 1, sigma of 4 equal to 6, sigma of 5 equal to 4, sigma of 6 equal to 5, sigma of 7 equal to 7, sigma of 8 equal to 2. First, we start with a number not covered in the obtained cycle. Suppose we start with 4. Then sigma of 4 equal to 6, sigma of 6 equal to 5, sigma of 5 equal to 4, sigma of 4 equal to 6. Hence, the new obtained cycle is 4, 6, 5. That is sigma equal to, first start with 1. 1 goes to 8 and sigma of 8 is 2. Sigma of 2 is 3 and sigma of 3 is 1. So we stop here, means 1 goes to 8, 8 goes to 2, 2 goes to 3, again 3 goes to 1. Next 4, sigma of 4 is 6, sigma of 6 is 5, sigma of 5 is 4, means 5 goes to 4, we stop here. Next sigma of 7 is 7, means here we get 1 goes to 8, 2 goes to 3, 4 goes to 6, 6 goes to 5, 7 goes to 7. Here we can omit the single length cycle 7. So sigma equal to product of two disjoint cycles 1, 8, 2, 3 and 4, 6, 5. Multiplication. Next example, mu equal to 1 goes to 2, 2 goes to 4, 3 goes to 7, 4 goes to 5, 5 goes to 6, 6 goes to 3, 7 goes to 8, 8 goes to 1. Here we have mu of 1 equal to 2, mu of 2 equal to 4, mu of 3 equal to 7, mu of 4 equal to 5, mu of 5 equal to 6, mu of 6 equal to 3, mu of 7 equal to 8, mu of 8 equal to 1. Start with 1. Mu of 1 goes to 2, mu of 2 goes to 4, mu of 4 goes to 5, mu of 5 goes to 6, mu of 6 goes to 3, mu of 3 goes to 7, mu of 7 goes to 8, mu of 8 goes to 1. So get mu equal to only one cycle, 1 goes to 2, 2 goes to 4, 4 goes to 5, 5 goes to 6, 6 goes to 3, 3 goes to 7, 7 goes to 8. Next example, tau equal to 1 goes to 3, 3 goes to 4, 4 goes to 5, 5 goes to 7 into 3 goes to 6, 6 goes to 2, 2 goes to 8, 8 goes to 3. We write tau as a product of disjoint cycles. Here 3 belongs to this cycle and this cycle, so these two cycles are not disjoints. First, tau equal to 1 goes to 3, 3 goes to 4, 4 goes to 5, 5 goes to 7 into 3 goes to 6, 6 goes to 2, 2 goes to 8, 8 goes to 3, here 7 goes to 1. Write in array notation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 goes to 3. 2 does not belongs to this cycle, so 2 goes to 2, 3 goes to 4, 4 goes to 5, 5 goes to 7, 6 does not belongs to this cycle, so 6 goes to 6, 7 goes to 1, 8 also not exist here, so 8 goes to 8. Similarly for second cycle, here we write 1 to 8 because the large number belongs to this two cycle is 8, so this elements belongs to S8, so we write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here 1 goes to 1, 2 goes to 8, 3 goes to 6, 4 goes to 4, 5 goes to 5, 6 goes to 2, 7 goes to 7, 8 goes to 3. Now, composition of these two permutation is, write first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 goes to 1, 1 goes to 3. 2 goes to 8, 8 goes to 8. 3 goes to 6, 6 goes to 6. 4 goes to 4, 4 goes to 5. 5 goes to 5, 5 goes to 7, 6 goes to 2 and here 2 goes to 2, 7 goes to 7, 7 goes to 1, 8 goes to 3, here 3 goes to 4. So, write in disjoint cycle 1, 1 goes to 3, 3 goes to 6, 6 goes to 2, 2 goes to 8, 8 goes to 4, 4 goes to 5, 5 goes to 7 and 7 goes to 1. So we stop here for tau. Next theorem. Every permutation can be expressed as a product of transposition. Transposition means cycle of length 2. Remark: to write a permutation as product of transposition, we first write it as product of disjoint cycles and then we write each cycle as product of transposition as follows. I1 goes to I2 and so on goes to IR equal to I1 goes to IR into I1 goes to IR minus 1 and so on I1 goes to I2, means I1 goes to IR, next I1 goes to IR minus 1 and so on I1 goes to I2. Also note that the identity permutation can be expressed as A goes to B, A goes to B, where A, B belongs to set of 1, 2 and so on n. Next theorem, if a permutation in Sn is a product of R transposition and also product of S transpositions, then Rs are either both even or both odd. First of all, what is meant by even transposition and odd transposition? Definition. First, A permutation sigma in Sn is called even permutation if sigma is a product of even number of transposition. Next, a permutation sigma in Sn is called as odd permutation if sigma is a product of odd number of transposition. Next example, check whether the given permutations are even or odd. First, sigma equal to 1 goes to 2, 2 goes to 3, 3 goes to 4, 4 goes to 5. 1 goes to 2, 2 goes to 3, 3 goes to 4, 4 goes to 5. This can be written as by the remark 1 goes to 5 into 1 goes to 4 into 1 goes to 3 into 1 goes to 2. 1 goes to 5. Stop here. Next into 1 goes to 4. Next 1 goes to 3. Next 1 goes to 2. Here length of this cycle are nothing but the 2, 2, 2 and number of transpositions are 4. 4 is even, so sigma is even transposition. Here sigma is a product of 4 transpositions, which is an even number, hence sigma is an even permutation. Next, tau equal to 5, 6. 1 goes to 4, 2 goes to 3, 3 goes to 1, 4 goes to 2, 5 goes to 6, 6 goes to 5. First write tau as a product of disjoint cycles. 1 goes to 4, 4 goes to 2, 2 goes to 3, 3 goes to 1. We stop here. 1, 4, 2, 3. Now 5 goes to 6, 6 goes to 5. Now stop here. These two cycles are disjoints, which is equal to, this cycle can be written as 1 goes to 3 into 1 goes to 2 into 1 goes to 4 into 5 goes to 6 as it is. Here number of transpositions are 4, 4 is even, so this transposition is even transposition. Here tau is a product of 4 transpositions, and hence an even transposition. We stop here.